Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Brandon O, and today I will be doing another unboxing video. Okay, so today it's not die cast, it's not a cube, it's another fidget spinner. Yay! So today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the world's best new thing, the fidget spinner. And I got this for like $5 at Walmart, so don't worry about it. Here it is, the fidget spinner. Look at that. It feels so relaxing when you do. Just look at the circulation. Just look at that. Makes a big flower. See that try part right there? That's the black parts right here. And this time I got a white one. Let's take a little review at the old one. I'll go right back and get it. Okay, so I am back, and here is the fidget spinner. So, do you see the difference? This one has got a different cap, because look. It can't turn. While this one, and look. Whenever I do this, the bearing fell off. So if you can give me any advice on how to make the bearing stay on for like this forever, please comment down below, and the first person who gives me the correct advice will win a free shout out and a fidget spinner. Because right now I am doing a fidget spinner giveaway. Just name the color you want. Like this white one. This red one. Oops. This. Why did I say red? This black one. Any type of color you want. Any style, any color, any, all sorts of like, Let's do some tricks since I am pretty good balancing. Oh, did you see that? That should earn 1,000 likes. I bet. It's because it goes so fast. Fastest, and boop, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. Oh! Oh, shoot. I'm all the way up. Oh, shoot. I'm just preparing for something like, for example, oh shoot. I'm trying to do something so it can look like that I actually made it. Not that I'm photoshopping, I actually got a new one, look. Even if it gets hit, it's still does not. Hold on. Whenever I hit it, actually it turns smooth whenever I touch it. Well, other than that, this fidget spinner is really good. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to my channel.
Bye, Brenda.
Bye. So all you have to do is just subscribe to this channel, like the video, and I'm trying to reach my goal for 9,000 likes. And then comment down below your email. So then I will notify you when you win. And if people say that this is fake, this is not fake. This is a real giveaway. And I will be doing the shipping. I will pay for the shipping and pay for the stamps. I'll put the rest of the rules on the links down below. And then after you commented your email, of course you also have to comment down the color you want and the style. It is very important because I have very limited spinners and they're going to be given to a few random people. So if everyone can subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video and do the rest of the stuff that I asked you, you may have a pretty good chance at winning. So where's the other cap? Where's the other? Oh no, this cannot be good. Oh, okay. I know this looks a bit goofy, but look at that. There's a cap and I haven't even... Oh, never mind. Ow, this pretty much hurts whenever I try spinning it hard. There we go. That's the fastest... That's the fastest I can get. Ready, set... Oh! Ow. Oh. Oh, I was gonna be like, oh no, I broke the cap. So, it's... Oh, did you see that? That has gotta earn a lot of likes. So, as I mentioned, please do all the rules down below to win one of these fidget spinners. Next time, whenever I buy more fidget spinners, I'll buy them from eBay if I can. So, hope you guys liked this video, and please subscribe for more. And as always, stay fresh and keep on spinning. Bye.